as I explained you earlier, to locate places we need a address. Fine. So by understanding latitudes, our address is half complete. Okay. Now how it is half complete, I am explaining that. Okay, this is Earth. This line is equator, and as I explained you earlier, equator is 0 degree. Fine. Now we draw some more latitudes. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, these are the latitudes, and their numbering could be any. They could be numbered anything, and this one is 90 degree. And what will this have? N or S? Okay, it will have S because this is located in southern hemisphere. Now we draw more latitudes in the northern hemisphere, and this point will be 90 degree N. Fine. This denotes northern hemisphere. Okay, so we imagine two places on Earth. Okay, it may be any place. Suppose this is a place and this is another place. I am taking this example in both the hemisphere. Okay, in northern hemisphere as well as in southern hemisphere. Okay, fine. Now suppose the number of this latitude is 30 degree N, and the number of this latitude is 50 degree S. Okay, suppose a place called X is located at 30 degree northern latitude. Okay, and place called Y, let us make it Y. Y is located at 50 degree southern latitude. Okay, this place may be any place. Now see, we can know that this place is located anywhere here because this complete line is 30 degree. So now we know that somewhere in northern hemisphere at 30 degree latitude this place is located, and this latitude is this. Fine. That place could be located anywhere on this 30 degree latitude. In the same way, the place called Y, which is located at 50 degree S. So we come to 50 degree and it is in southern hemisphere. So this place called Y, it can be located anywhere on this 50 degree southern latitude. So on Earth we have zeroed. Okay, we have located this line. Fine. And on this line the place could be anywhere. It may be for other lines also, other latitudes also. Suppose if a place is located on 10 degree N, or it can be located on 5 degree S, but we only know that that place could be anywhere on that line. Okay, so this X place, it could be on anywhere on this line, and this Y place, it could be anywhere on this line. So this much we can know. Fine. And to precisely locate any place on earth, we must know something more. Okay, we must know something more, and that thing is more imaginary lines. What? More imaginary lines. And those imaginary lines are called longitudes. Fine. Now I will draw a diagram of Earth, and we know that this point is known as 90 degree N, and this point is known as 90 degree S. Okay, and we draw more lines which connect these two points. Okay, like this. These lines, they connect northern and southern pole, or north and south pole. Okay, and these lines are known as what? Longitudes. Fine. Lines connecting north and south pole. These lines are what? Imaginary. They are known as longitudes or meridians also. Fine. So now I told you earlier that whole earth, okay, it is considered as how much? 360 degrees. Fine. So for 1 degree we draw one line or one longitude. So for 360 degrees, how many longitudes will be there? 360 longitudes. So on earth, how many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes. Fine. And they are also numbered. They are also numbered. Fine. Okay. So the starting longitude, okay, from which we count the longitude, is known as prime meridian. Okay, and that prime meridian, it passes through a place called Greenwich in London. Fine. And that is known as 0 degree longitude. Okay. Now again, suppose this is our earth and this is what? 0 degree longitude. Okay, 0 degree longitude, or this is also known as PM, yani prime meridian. So the portion of earth towards west of prime meridian is known as western hemisphere, and towards east of prime meridian it is known as what? Eastern hemisphere. So this portion will be known as eastern and this portion will be known as western. Okay, so now all the lines which are drawn towards the eastern portion of prime meridian, these lines, okay, they will have E with them. Okay, so this line, it will have E with it, and all the lines which are drawn to the west of prime meridian connecting the poles, okay, these lines, they will have W with them. Okay, so they will have a degree, fine, and they will have what? E and W with them. E denotes eastern hemisphere and W denotes western hemisphere. Fine, and the counting will be, suppose this is 0 degree, so, and the counting will be 1 degree, 2 degree, okay, continuous, and they will have what? E with them. Here it will be 1 degree W, 1 degree, 2 degree W, okay, 3 degree W. It will continue till 180 degree, and 180 degree is just opposite to 0 degree, and that 180 degree line is also known as 180 degree longitude is also known as international date line. This line is not straight, okay, it is zigzag. Fine.